Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your Oppo A31 USB charging port using household items. So remember, never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the charging mechanism. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. And there is something in my charging port what is preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. And today, to get it out, first you have to take the cover if you have and take the brush in your hand. Then gently insert the one part of the brush, the USB port, and try to gently pry the piece of paper, in my case, out. So one part on the charging port and pry out the piece of paper. So thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.